Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly incredible that plants do, something that makes almost all life on Earth possible. How do plants make their own food? Unlike us, they don't need to go to the grocery store or order takeout. They're like tiny, self-sufficient food factories, and the process they use is absolutely fascinating. This amazing process is called photosynthesis. If you break down the word, photo means light, and synthesis means to make something. So, literally, it means making something with light. And that's exactly what plants do. They use light energy to create their own sugary food. So, how does it all work? Well, plants need a few key ingredients to pull this off. First, they need sunlight. This is their main energy source, kind of like electricity for a factory. They capture this light using a special green pigment called chlorophyll, which is why most plants look green. Chlorophyll is packed into tiny compartments within plant cells called chloroplasts. Think of these as the actual little solar panels inside the plant's cells. Next, plants need water. They get this from the soil, sucking it up through their roots, which act like straws. The water then travels up through the plant's stems to its leaves, where the photosynthesis magic happens. And finally, plants need carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and it's also abundant in the air around us. Plants breathe in this carbon dioxide through tiny little pores on their leaves, kind of like microscopic mouths, called stomata. Once they have all three ingredients, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, inside those chloroplasts in their leaves, the plant uses the energy from the sunlight to transform the water and carbon dioxide into two brand new things: sugar, which is the plant's food, and oxygen. That's right. The oxygen we breathe as humans and animals is actually a waste product of plants making their own food. The sugar, in the form of glucose, is then used by the plant for energy to grow, build new leaves, flowers, and fruits, and basically keep itself alive and thriving. Any extra sugar can be stored for later, just like we might store extra food. So, every time you see a green plant, remember it's quietly working away, harnessing the sun's energy to convert simple ingredients into the food it needs, and in doing so, it's also producing the oxygen that allows us and countless other creatures to breathe. It's a truly miraculous and foundational process for life on Earth. Pretty cool, right?